Hello students, now only a few days are left for your board exam and how you are going to prepare physics in this board exam. So now as you know that the very first exam is on 22nd. So before that, 2 दिन पहले तक, 22nd से 2 दिन पहले तक, every day you have to study 2 chapters. Physics के 2 chapters पकड़ लो और उसको thoroughly prepare करो. Everything should be clear. All the concepts should be in your mind. The theory should be clear. The numericals you have to practice as well as कि numericals के जितने formulae हैं, every chapter के जितने formulae हैं, that you must know thoroughly. And the MCQ question also, from different books you correct the MCQs and start doing those questions, right? So every day, before this, before the 22nd, 2 दिन पहले तक, आपको हर दिन 2 chapter पढ़ने हैं physics के, वो भी thoroughly. And as you know, कि आपके physics के exam में और chemistry exam में, chemistry and physics में there's a 5-day gap. And the physics exam is on 4. So in this 5 days, if you are going to plan up nicely, then definitely you are going to secure very good marks, more than 95% definitely. So how you are going to study in these 5 days, that I'm going to tell you, and that is definitely going to be helpful in your board exam. So the day 1, what you are going to study is electrostatics 1. This electrostatics 1 you are going to study, electrostatics 2 you are going to study, and current electricity. These 3 chapters are huge. और कब से कब तक पढ़ोगे? 27 को chemistry exam है. After you come back from the exam, take rest properly, right? And from 6-7 p.m. in the evening till 28th ka full day, you are going to study these 3 chapters. These are huge chapters. You have to be thorough with the derivation and the numericals also. Because in तीनों chapter में numerical भर के हैं. सब derivation practice कर लीजिए. Numericals you have to do thoroughly. For that you remember all the formula. And then the MCQ question. Because these 3 chapters carry 16 marks. Right? So you are going to get MCQ from this. You are going to get 2-mark question with the 5 from these chapters. Correct? Then comes day 2. Day 2 means 29th. In this 29th, you are going to study moving charges and magnetism and matter, electromagnetic induction and alternating current. These 4 chapters carry 17 marks. And definitely the derivation in these chapters, moving charge and magnetism, very, very important. Then electromagnetic induction also, there are certain derivations which are very important. Alternating current, this is a chapter which is having a lot of numerical and you have to be thorough with the numericals. चारों चैप्टर को ऐसे पढ़ो कि आपके MCQ और न्यूमेरिकल्स आराम से हो जाएं. It carries a lot of marks, 17 marks. Then, next day, that is on first. First, you are going to study electromagnetic wave, ray optics and wave optics. These 3 chapters carry 18 marks. You see, a large marks, a lot of marks in these 3 chapters. And that too, ray optics is most important. Ye chapter सबसे important है. You are going to get derivation from this. You are going to get numericals from this. A 5-mark question with the case-based study, जो आपका question आता है, case वाला, case study based, that also you are going to get from ray optics. It's a very important chapter. Be thorough with all the derivation, numericals and the MCQ question. EM waves or wave optics में से, इसमें से आपके MCQs and numericals are important because wave optics there is no derivation except the Huygens principle. You have to derive the laws of reflection and the laws of refraction from Huygens principle. Otherwise, all the things are based on the formula. So prepare well for these chapters on day 3, that is on first. Then comes day 4, that is your second. Second, you are going to study dual nature of matter and radiation, then atoms, nuclei and semiconductor. The first 3 chapters carries 12 marks and this semiconductor carries 7 marks. You see, only the semiconductor carries 7 marks and this chapter is very easy. You can easily understand the chapter, do all the questions properly, and these 3 chapters, you are going to get numericals and few derivations are there, but mostly this chapter will be, these 3 chapters are based on MCQ questions and numericals. Then comes day 5, the last, that is your third. In this, what you are going to do, you are going chapter properly. अच्छे से पढ़ के जाओ, सब chapters को आपको पढ़ना. You have to study all the chapters thoroughly. Then you sleep well. Get up in the morning and just revise the formula once. After that, with a very positive thinking that you know everything. Positive thinking, Positive attitude means what? That you know everything. Everything is in your mind. You can do all the MCQs. You can do all the numericals properly. With this positive thinking, you go for the exam. And when you sit in the exam, you have to be in a positive attitude only so that you can recollect all the things. Concentration, if you are having a positive thinking, then definitely you are going to recollect all the concepts that you have studied at that time, and your exam will be very good. So best of luck for your exams. Prepare well and give a very good exam.
प्लीज लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें।